Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some of the back to school backpacks that I have available for this back to school collection. I know it's a little bit late, but I have been super busy with all of the many orders that I have been doing. So you guys have a look at these bags and hit me up if you see any one of these that you like, and let me know what you think about them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Okay everyone, so you just saw the bags that I have available for this back to school collection. So let me know what you guys think about them and join me again on another video. Bye everyone.